Oh, hey, thanks for stopping by the garage. Ron Ananian The Car Doctor here. We're talking about batteries, okay? Batteries it's where your car starts. It starts it all, right? Here's the Car Doctor's 4 tips to a full charge from your car's battery. Number 1, group size. Group size is important. It is the physical dimension of the battery. Think of a house, 3-bedroom house, 4-bedroom house. You can have 2 different size houses, like 2 different size batteries. And you wouldn't try to put a 4-bedroom house inside of the 3 or vice versa. So group size is important. You don't want to put the wrong group size battery into your vehicle. So not every battery that fits is right for your car. Look it up by application. Very, very important. Now, electrical energy, one of the ways it's measured is CCAs, cold cranking amps. Cold cranking amps can vary between group sizes. Okay, you can have a group size 59 battery that puts out 600 CCAs, and you could have a group size 75 battery that puts out 550 CCAs. CCA can also be talked about from this perspective. It's January, and you jump out of bed on a cold winter morning, and you go do push-ups. How many push-ups can you do? Well, it depends on how many CCAs you have in you at that hour of the morning. When you think about CCAs, whether you're buying the battery or your mechanic's doing the battery for you, think about how much extra would it cost to get slightly more CCAs, because that will give you more oomph on that cold winter morning. Let's talk about maintenance. Who's doing it? Who's doing the install? You, your mechanic? If you're doing the install, make sure you're wearing gloves. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses. You are dealing with battery acid. You don't want to touch the battery, touch your clothes. You're going to end up with designer jeans with holes in them, all right? And you're going to get it for free. You don't have to go to the store and buy them, okay? And if your mechanic's doing it, when he's done, go out and look. Are the terminals coated? Is the top of the battery clean? Are the brackets tight? Are the brackets there? I can't tell you how many batteries I see. Hey, I had a battery done somewhere and they didn't put the brackets in. All of this counts. These are where you get the points from the Car Doctor for doing a proper battery installation. Till the next time, I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor reminding you, good mechanics aren't expensive. They're priceless. See ya.